Are you looking for a convenient and portable way to use red light therapy? I'm Gina with WTI, and I was looking for something that I could use without having to be stationary or plugged into a wall. So I got this red light therapy belt from Listeadio. Some things that I really like about it are that it's very customizable. Not only does it allow you to choose different pulse strengths for the red light, but you can also have heat with it. And there's 3 different temperature levels with that. I found it to be very soothing and beneficial. Another thing I like about it is that it's not just for your back, but it's also for your abdomen. This does need to be on bare skin. So what I found is that I could easily wrap it around and then put my clothes on top of that, and it would stay in place nicely. For me, the battery lasted up to 3 uses at 30 minutes high heat and the 40 pulse. The strap connects with Velcro and can go between 24 and 48 inches. So it really can accommodate a lot of different body types. This has just been perfect for my uses. I think you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.